So Rob and I are in my sister-in-law's basement and trying to troubleshoot a heating problem. What are you saying, the Pledge of Allegiance over there? So anyway, we found some wiring that was not wired right to the thermostat, and heat still isn't working good. So we're going to try to diagnose this heating issue and see if we can get the heat working, right?
That's right. We'll try our best.
All right, so we installed the Superstore last year, and messing around with this thermostat to see if that's causing the issue. So there's a motherboard on the side of the boiler right here. We were messing with this the other night, and we had it all lit up. There's a couple of relays in there. One of those could be flaky. And this is one of those situations, right, Rob, where we fixed the wiring. The wiring was definitely wired wrong. We fixed from the thermostat. Now it's wired correctly. Fix that. Now we've got to dive into it a little more.
Hey, we got power. All right, I know that's working then.
So you're getting power to there.
Okay, because I just moved that wire and I didn't have power there last time.
Yeah, I wonder if there's something flaky in there. Rob, hey Tootsie, take the sticker off your glasses, idiot. The hell? You just file this off the rack? My job here is to bust Rob's ass. So we think the 24-volt transformer is bad that's tied to. So we're going to troubleshoot it a little bit, jump it direct, and see if we can get it to work. And we're probably going to put it on its own transformer so it's powered directly. All right, so what are you testing out now?
I'm giving this power.
Gonna make a jumper off it?
Because it's not getting power through the other way.
I gotcha. Trying to weed some possibilities out.
Yeah, I really feel like it's this thermostat right there.
So it was tied to the transformer that was in this board right here, and we think that it's making it screw up. All right, so what Rob and I are doing now is we're hooking up a new transformer to power the thermostat on the storage tank because the other transformer wasn't working correctly with it. So now we're going to put it on its own transformer so it gets the correct amount of power, voltage, and it should kick it on. Right, Rob?
24 volts.
24 volts. Let's get power to the transformer.
Flip that switch right there. Beautiful.
Yeah, there you go. We had a transformer on here, a brand new one, but someone put their old transformer in the Home Depot box. So we had to return that and get a new one, right, Rob?
Absolutely.
What a pain in the butt. So now we should be able to power the thermostat on the storage tank. All right, so now we get direct power to the thermostat, and it sounds like it's working. There it goes. So what was going on too is we had a little bit of a wiring issue with the thermostats, like I measured earlier in the video. We know some of the wiring was wrong. Rob fixed that. So we powered the thermostat directly on the storage unit. So now we're going to turn the heat up on the thermostat to the house, and this should kick on for us. It's already working 1,000 times better. There it goes. You can hear the valves opening.
It's not humming either.
Nah, I was humming like crazy before. Sounds a lot better, Rob.
But this is cool, so this will run
until it gets warm again. Nice. All right, Rob, everything seems to be working pretty good. Get the wiring all cleaned up, get the cover back on the thermostat.
We got that set at 100?
Yep, we get that set at 100, and then the old thermostat was bad, the transmitter. Hey, Rob, I think we're in business now. The boiler shut off, the zones are working right.
We're at the right temperature.
Yep, right the right temp. The valves are doing their things. Should have this one nipped in the bud, pal.
I don't hear anything humming anymore either.
No, that relay was humming before, and that thing isn't making a peep now, which is good. Another issue solved, buddy.
I hope so.